Hi guys, greetings from the beautiful Rishikesh. I'm here on a solo trip. I'm traveling across Uttarakhand, but this video is not about Uttarakhand. This video is not about my trip. This video is about a married Indian woman traveling solo. Now, to give you a little bit of a background, if you're new to my channel, my name is Swati and I'm a travel vlogger. I'm married to an army officer who goes by the name Amod Sarao. And if you watch videos on my channel, it's all about travel. So sometimes I travel with my husband, sometimes I travel solo, sometimes I travel with my friends. Basically, this is about my wanderlust stories and therefore the name Swanderlist. Now, I uploaded a reel on my Instagram recently. Here it goes. A married woman should not travel solo. Says who?
Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. Oh no, oh no.
Man or woman, married or unmarried, who are we? Or who is anybody to decide what they can or cannot do?
It's high time we question these outdated norms of the society and not just blindly take them as they come. So here I go.
Oh no, oh no, 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 no.
So basically this reel talks about people pursuing whatever they want to pursue. Now, like I mentioned, I'm a travel vlogger. Traveling is my work and I have to travel for my work. Now, in the end of that reel, I also showed that marriage need not be a speed breaker. That's exactly what I really mean. Marriage to a lot of people, especially my generation, people who are under 30 or who are in their early 30s, people look at marriage like it's a speed breaker. Like, you know, they have a momentum, their career is going really well, their personal life is going really well. They're very happy with how their life is. But when you think about marriage, it's like, like, you know, whatever fun before marriage, if you want to travel, if you want to have some adventure in your life, but people just assume that if you get married, you might not be able to do so. And this is more common for women. So I just thought of talking to you guys. This video is going to be a little bit of a rant, but hear me out. Now, a very, very common thing that I get, especially when I'm on my solo travels, a lot of people, especially women, tell me this, that you're very lucky, that and you're very lucky that your husband allows you to do all these things. Now, what got me thinking is that nobody says this to my husband. He's in the army, so he has to travel. He has to travel a lot for his work. Sometimes he is deployed at a place for like 2 years and I can't join him there. But nobody tells him that, you know, Amod, you're very lucky that your wife allows you to do that. But when I do it, people tell me this. And I know that it's not said in a negative way. Most of the time it is said with curiosity or with admiration, and sometimes you know, people are a bit negative about a woman traveling solo post marriage, but most of the time it is women who tell me this, that you're very lucky. But that what that means is that you're lucky because it is something different, it is something, you know, that is out of the ordinary. But that need not be. Why we as women have such low expectations from men? And the whole concept, like on one hand, we say that men and women are equal in the society and everybody has the right to whatever, do whatever. But as soon as it is something unconventional, there's like, you know, okay, you're doing it, good, you're lucky. But that need not be really the case. The men who I meet or the men in my life, I've not even seen, like, you know, one guy saying that, okay, if you're married to me, you can't do all these things. I feel like it is a woman who has put such restrictions on herself. Maybe because of the way you've been brought up, maybe what we have been told by our mothers and our grandmothers. But that need not be the case. Like, why have our expectations so low? Somebody pursuing whatever they want to pursue in life is a very basic thing. I know that my husband is awesome, but he's not awesome because he allows me to pursue my work. He's awesome for the amazing human being that he is. And I mean, me doing something that I want to do is a very basic thing, and that's not lucky. It's just a very basic necessity. So yeah, if you're a young person, if you're a woman who's watching this video, please know that, you know, if you get to do the very basic things, you are not lucky. And if you don't get to do these kind of very basic things, it's not really worth it. Don't marry that person. Don't be in a relationship with that person. It's not really worth it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I know it's been a little bit of a rant, but and it's quite different. I don't talk about these things on this channel. Now, if you're a man watching this video, I hope you can understand why I made this video, and you can be supportive of your wife, your girlfriend, whoever it is. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. A lot of videos are coming up. I am right now in Uttarakhand. I did a bunch of cool things, and stay tuned. I'll see you all very soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.